first I'd like to introduce Dr. Thomas Edwards, the Director of Aeronautics here, to welcome us.
Good morning and welcome to NASA Ames Research Center. As Maria said, I'm Tom Edwards, Director of Aeronautics here at NASA Ames, and I'd like to thank you for coming to help us celebrate a birthday party. It was a year ago today that the Mars Science Laboratory was safely delivered to the surface of Mars, the largest payload that we've ever put down on the surface. And it got to work right away and has accomplished an amazing amount of things that you'll hear about today. In the first 8 months of the mission, we had already achieved one of the main science objectives of the mission, which is to find evidence of past environments that would be supportive of microbial life. And that has been a tremendous advancement. But we're also looking forward to many more exciting science discoveries in the time to come, in the second year of operations. And hoping that someday the tire tracks that Curiosity is leaving on Mars will be followed by human footprints. So we need to wait and see about that. But we want to tell you a little bit about all the things that NASA Ames has done to support the Mars Science Laboratory mission. We're very proud of the entire agency and what's been accomplished. But in particular around here at NASA Ames, we made some contributions that we're very proud of. And it really all starts, if you've seen the now famous video, 7 Minutes of Terror, that very challenging entry that Curiosity had into the Martian atmosphere required a heat shield more capable than anything that had been previously developed. The material for that heat shield was invented and developed here at NASA Ames. The heat shield itself was qualified and tested in our ArcJet facilities. And the parachutes that were part of the final stage of the landing were tested in the only facility capable of testing something that size, our very large wind tunnel right here, the National Full-Scale Aerodynamics Complex. We also contributed advanced software that helped the operations team determine how to operate the rover on the surface to achieve the science objectives, schedule all the various movements and instruments that would be used. And finally, and perhaps most importantly, we have one of the main instruments on board that look at the chemical and mineral composition of the rocks that have led to some of these exciting discoveries that we're going to hear more about today. So that's a lot, and we're very proud to be part of the greater NASA team that has made MSL the success that it is so far. But it's really no coincidence that these things happen here. We understand that we live here in a community of extremely creative and intelligent people, and that sort of innovation feeds our energy and helps us innovate. So we're very appreciative of Silicon Valley and the community that supports this kind of science. So welcome to all of you. I hope you enjoy the rest of the program, and thank you for joining us in celebrating the 1-year anniversary of MSL. And a final thank you to all the staff here at the Visitor Center that helped make this event possible.